Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a week since I started the $21 challenge and I thought I'd update you guys on how we went. So, did we go over? Yes we did, but only by about $3, and about $2 of those dollars was because my dog decided to eat a whole loaf of bread on the very first day. So we had to send the teenager to the shops to get another loaf so that they could quickly make their school lunches before they had to go to school that morning. Otherwise I would have made another loaf, but yeah, what can you do? And my kids also decided to have some hot chocolates and used up a whole lot of milk, so I had to get another litre of that. But other than that, we actually did really well and I'm super proud of everyone. So I thought I'd run you through some of the things that are made. Not everything was overly interesting and I don't have a photo of absolutely all of it. In addition to what you will see, we also did some tacos one night, which I didn't get a chance to get a photo of because I was out, so it was my husband that made it, so I just came home to the last little bits. But yeah, I think, and some of the things we actually had where I had like leftovers for lunch the next day, and there was a couple of things I had like twice or three times, like smoothies and the chia puddings. But let's have a look at all the things that we made. So there you go, this is the stuff that I made, and I hope you enjoyed my little challenge, and I hope you got inspired to do your own $21 challenge where you try to use up what you have in your pantry, your fridge and your freezer. If you do, I would love to hear about it. Make sure you tag your video with the $21 challenge and let me know. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Stay safe, stay well, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again next time.